Hudson, are you going to start to crawl? Get up on your stool. Hudson, are you starting to crawl? Just scooting? Some toys. Look, what's this? What's that? Is that the king? Here, look. Let's see if you can get that. He's kind of starting to crawl a little bit. What are you doing? Are you going to try and get... Okay. Are you going to get the car? Hudson, are you going to get it? Oh. Are you going to get the car? Hey, Brandon, show him the car. See if he'll try and crawl for it. Get the car. Show him the car, Brandon. Hey, B. Show him the car. Yeah. Yeah, show Hudson. Okay, now scoot it back more. Scoot it back over by your feet so we can see if he'll crawl for it. Nope, scoot it back towards you. Scoot back, scoot back. There you go. Okay, now set it on the ground. Nope, set it farther so that he can't reach it. Right there, right there. Okay, let's see if he'll try and crawl for it. Are you gonna try and crawl? He's doing a scoot. Look at that. He's scooting. Doing like the worm. He's scooting. He's scooting too. Here he goes. He's scooting. What is today? April 8th, maybe? April 8th, you're 6 months and 4 days old. Yeah. I think that might be as much as we get. Hudson. Ah, you found the corner of your blinky instead. And there we go. Brandon. Hey, Brandon, how old are you? I'm 2.5. You're 2.5? What are you wearing?
My Spider-Man shirt.
What's your Spider-Man shirt?
Yeah.
That's so cool. Is that your favorite? You love it? All right. He keeps rolling over, huh? Oh, did he get his car?